What if everything you've been taught to believe about the world around you, that it's solid, fixed and external, is actually a beautifully orchestrated illusion? At the cutting edge of quantum physics, scientists are revealing what mystics have known for centuries. The physical world isn't made of matter, but of vibrating energy. That means reality isn't a fixed thing outside of you, it's a fluid, responsive mirror shaped by your inner state. The atoms that make up your body, your home, your experiences, and even your memories are 99% empty space, pulsing with potential and frequency. And that potential collapses into form the moment you observe, believe and feel a certain outcome as emotionally true. Yet most of us have been conditioned backwards. We wait for the external to change so we can feel safe, loved or abundant, not realizing that it's the inner emotional frequency that shapes the outer result. This is the trap of the third dimension, where we believe things happen to us. But quantum truth reveals something far more empowering. Things happen through us. You're not a passive player, you are the scriptwriter, the director, the transmitter. Every thought you think, every emotion you feel, every belief you hold sends out a frequency into the quantum field, the vast, invisible web of energy that responds not to what you say, but to what you vibrate. So if you're visualizing success but vibrating fear, the field reflects fear. If you're affirming love but deep down feel unworthy, the reflection will match the feeling, not the words. The universe doesn't judge or weigh your intentions. It reflects you back to yourself with absolute precision. That's why you've had moments when everything aligned effortlessly, and others where nothing worked no matter how hard you tried. The difference wasn't in your actions, it was in your state of being. The uncomfortable truth is that your current reality is a perfect match to your past vibration. But the liberating truth is this: you can shift it anytime, not by forcing the external to change, but by tuning your inner signal. Reality bends to presence, not potential. This is the real engine behind manifestation, not hoping, not waiting, not wishing, but being. When your inner state becomes aligned, when your mind, heart and body vibrate in coherence with the outcome you seek, then life has no choice but to mirror that alignment back to you. It's not magic, it's mechanics. The quantum field doesn't send blessings or tests. It sends reflections, and just like a mirror, it never lies. Smile and the mirror smiles. Frown and it frowns. It doesn't care what you meant or hoped, it reflects only what is. That's the power and responsibility we carry, to become radically honest about the frequency we are broadcasting. Because most people are unknowingly sending out mixed signals, saying one thing, feeling another, and wondering why their life feels stuck. The blockage isn't outside of you. It's the internal misalignment between your words and your vibration. You might be asking for peace while vibrating chaos, or desiring abundance while embodying lack. The key isn't to try harder, but to align deeper, to clear the emotional noise and become the living frequency of the life you desire. This is the shift from effort to embodiment, from wanting to becoming, and once you truly become the energy of the thing you seek, the outer world must follow because it's just the mirror, it has no choice. That's the real secret. Your state of being is your true prayer, your real signal. Reality isn't listening to your mind, it's tuned to your energy. So if you want to change what you're receiving, first become conscious of what you're emitting. This is the quantum path, not force, not struggle, but frequency.